Filmora 11 now is out, right? Those who are using this software to edit their video have every reason to smile, because in this video I'm going to take you through a Filmora 11 free download process. So after watching this video, you will be able to download and install Filmora 11 on your desktop or laptop, right? Now with that being said, let's get started. Now first, check the link is in description below. When you click on it, it will take you to this page right here. Now this is the official Wondershare Filmora website. What you need to do next, just scroll down and here you'll see version 11 of Filmora and new features added, just like first one here is version 11.3, right? It was released on 14th May and these are the new updates on this version. So below it we have another version, that is version 11 and its new features. Now to download Filmora for free, come up here and click on try a free button and Filmora setup app will be downloaded on your PC. Now after the download process is complete, just go ahead and follow simple prompt and install that app on your PC. It will take a few minutes for that process to complete. Then after that, you can now go ahead and edit your videos on your new Filmora 11 on your desktop or laptop. You can also buy this app by clicking on buy now button. Then next here you will see different plans you may be interested in. So we have monthly, annual and perpetual plan. So just go ahead and pick one that will suit you. So guys, that's how you can download a Filmora 11 for free on your PC. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.